How are you today?
Good.
How good?
Yes, good.
Have you ever had a pet?
Yes.
What kind of animal was it?
A hippo.
A hippo. Have you ever had a fish?
Yeah.
What was its name?
Bubble down.
Let's draw Bubble Girl.
Yeah.
You take this and I'll take this. So let's draw a fishbowl. So at the top, we're going to draw an opening like that. So it's kind of round and kind of flat. Yep. And then guess what we're going to do? We're going to draw a big circle. Check this out. Right here. And it's going to go all the way around and slightly above
Yes.
that line.
Yes.
And then big around. Okay. And then at the bottom, we're going to do a little stand at the bottom. The bottom part of the bowl. Yep. Now, inside the bowl, fish like a bunch of little rocks. So draw a bunch of little pebbles. You can draw a bunch of little fishbowl rocks and pebbles.
Yeah.
And now let's draw a plant. Let's go up and let's go out and out. One line straight up and then one out and one out that side.
Pretty.
And this is going to be a fish plant. Yep. Now let's draw a bunch of little leaves on the plant. On both sides, bunch of leaves. And we'll do that on each stem of the plant. Yep. That's awesome.
I already started mine.
Whoa, you are fast. How did you get so fast? You must have a cape on.
No, I don't.
You're just fast? Okay, now goldfish time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's draw his big bubbly eyes. Boop, boop.
Okay.
You are good at those, aren't you? Boop. Now we're going to draw his little... That's what fish lips look like. Let's draw them. Okay, so we're going to go like this, right in the front, right in front of his eyes. We're going to go like a backwards 3 almost. Okay, and then from those lips, we're going to draw his body. Ready? So it's going to go up and around. A nice curve. And then we have to draw his fin. At the bottom, we're going to draw a nice little U. Yep. And then we have to draw the bottom of him. So that kind of comes around behind the fin and back up.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then he's got one more fin peeking out from behind. Excellent. And now his tail is going to be loopy. You can make it fun and big and loopy. Let's draw the top of the water first. From this side, kind of wavy, all the way across. Little water waves. And now let's draw 3 bubbles. 1, 2, 3. Kind of from his mouth all the way to the top of the water.
2, 3.
So now, Veda, this is the fun part. Let's draw a kitty looking into the bowl. Almost like the cat is very interested in the little fish. Maybe because they're friends. So behind, we're going to draw a line out this way, which you don't have much room, so maybe just the table on this side. And a line out that side, so that's the table. Now, guess what? We're going to draw from this side, Veda, we're going to draw way up and then down. And then we're going to draw a cat back here. So this is his one ear, and then he's going to go way over here, and then another ear on this side, all the way down to that.
I see little head.
Little head. And then we are going to draw his little nose right here. So you're going ahead, drawing the cat. That's great. I'm going to continue with my cat. Look at his little nose right here. And then we're going to have him a big smile. So it's going to come down to here and then way up.
This is his other fish friend.
Oh, good. And then the other side of his smile, way over and way up, and a big smile line on that side. I'm going to have his eyes looking down, right? So we're going to have a big eye right here and a big eye right here. And then where's his eyes? They're going to be looking in. So we're going to draw them on the bottom. Just like that. And whiskers. Do cats have whiskers? Kind of coming out the side? Yes, they do. Yeah. So let's draw some cat whiskers. 1, 2,
I don't know how to
3.
cats.
And on this side, 1, 2, 3. So do you want to draw little happy little eyebrows like he's kind of excited? Kind of like, ooh, what do we have here? And sometimes on a cat, they've got little whisker dots right in here. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You always got to sign your drawing. So let's sign our names at the bottom. Just like that. Yep.
Thank you for signing with us today.
Thank you so much. That was really fun. High five.